We have a very beautiful logarithmic equation. So how do we find the value of x in this equation? Solution. So let's first write the equation. We have log x to the base 10. Everything raised to power 3 equals 3 log x base 10. So now let's assume u equals log x base 10. So anywhere we just see log x base 10, we just base it with u. So from here, we're going to have u raised to power 3 equals 3 times u, which is 3u. So let's bring this guy to the left side. So we're going to have u cubed minus 3u equals 0. You will observe that u is common here. So let us put it out. So we're going to have u into u squared minus 3 equals 0. So this in turn gives u to be equal 0, or u squared minus 3 equals 0. So we've obtained one value for u. So now let's consider this guy. So we're going to have u squared minus 3 equals 0, which implies u squared equals 3. When we take the square roots of both sides, so this guy gives u, don't forget we're going to have plus or minus here. So we have plus or minus root 3, which implies u equals to root 3 or minus root 3. So we are going to consider each case for u equals 0, root 3 or minus root 3. So when u equals to 0, what do we have? We are going to plug it here. So we're going to have 0 equals log x base 10. Let me plug the value of u here for u equals 0. So now let's take the exponential of both sides. So we're going to have, using 10, we're going to have 10 raised to the power 0 equals 10 raised to the power log x base 10. 10 raised to the power 0, that is 1. This guy takes care of this guy. So we're going to have x, which therefore x equals to 1. Now let's consider the second case when u equals to root 3. So we're going to plug in the value of u here. So we're going to have root 3 equals what? Log x base 10. So let's take the exponential of both sides again. We have 10 raised to the power root 3 equals 10 raised to the power log x base 10. So this implies 10 raised to the power root 3. Also, this guy takes care of this guy. So we are left with x, which implies x equals to 10 raised to the power root 3, which is the second solution. For the third case, when u equals to minus root 3, so we're going to have minus root 3 to be equals what? Log x base 10. When we plug in the value of u here. So this gives, you take the exponential of it both sides again, we have 10 raised to the power minus root 3 equals 10 raised to the power log x base 10. So we have, this guy can be written as 1 over 10 raised to the power root 3. That is, from this properties of indices, e raised to the power minus m is the same thing as 1 over e raised to the power m. So this equals, this guy takes care of this guy, so we are left with x. So this implies x equals to 1 over 10 raised to the power root 3. So therefore, the solutions are what? The first solution that we obtain is x equals to 1. So x equals to 1. X equals what? 10 raised to the power root 3, which is the second solution. And x equals 1 over 10 raised to the power root 3. So these are the solutions required. So that's it.